Welcome to today's episode, where we dive into the fascinating world of idioms, focusing on as cheap as dirt. This expression describes something extremely inexpensive. Originally, this idiom comes from the literal low value of soil. Over time, it evolved in usage to emphasize the minimal worth of other items or products. Let's explore its application with 5-sentence examples to illustrate its usage. Imagine finding a vintage lamp at a flea market, priced as cheap as dirt. Or perhaps in your garden, seeds that cost almost nothing, definitely cheap as dirt. Think about an old book at a garage sale, its price marked down to almost nothing. I can't believe how cheap those old books were at the garage sale. They were practically as cheap as dirt. Another example is, the quality of that product is terrible. No wonder it's as cheap as dirt. Lastly, picture a local diner offering breakfast specials that are, you guessed it, cheap as dirt. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning language is not only educational, but also as fun as a barrel of monkeys. Tune in next time for more insightful explorations into the world of idioms.